Hi, I'm Belinda and I've been asked how can I create a honey lip balm with the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first of all, I need you to pick the water in oil ointment base formula to begin, because we're going to be adding a small amount of honey that is water soluble into an oil balm. So we need this formula build. Now, because I'm going to be applying this to the lips, I want to use a lot of castor oil. So I'm going to pick castor oil as one of my lipids, but I also want to make a really cool honey and mango story. So I'm going to pick a little bit of mango butter as well. I'm going to put the castor oil in at the maximum recommended input because it is for a lip product. And so too with the mango butter. Next, I need to pick some non-ionic emulsifiers. I'm going to pick glycerol stearate and the Arlacel 1689 because they're all naturally derived, and this will give me a really natural product. I'm going to increase the input of both of these so I can stabilize my honey really well. And because I want to set to a balm consistency, I'm going to pick beeswax as my consistency factor and use it at the maximum recommended input to get a nice balm consistency with this product. Next, I'm going to pick my honey. And here it is here as a water and water alternative. So if I was making an ointment for skincare, I could pick one of these other water or water alternatives. But because I'm making a honey and mango lip balm, I'm picking honey as that material today. I'm going to add just a little bit of mango flower extract to just reinforce that honey and mango product story. And I'm only using it in a really small proportion. I don't need any essential oil or fragrance. First, because it's being used on my lips, I want to be careful about what I add for that reason, but I also want to make sure it tastes good, so I'm focusing on the honey and the mango butter. Finally, I'm going to add some antioxidant, some mixed tocopherols, and use them at 1% so the product's really nourishing for my lips. Now I click on Generate Method, and here is my formula and my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how to make a lip-smacking, delicious honey and mango lip balm. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can create your own water and oil ointments or delicious honey lip balms. Happy formulating!